Alright, let's dive into something that's got the tech world buzzing: Jensen Huang's recent announcement about Nvidia's Blackwell and Vera Rubin chips. Now, if you've been following the AI hardware race, you know Nvidia's been at the forefront, but this feels like a whole new ballgame. Here's the kicker. Huang just projected $1 trillion in orders for these chips. Let that sink in. $1 trillion. Personally, I think this isn't just a number, it's a statement. It's Nvidia saying, we're not just leading the AI revolution, we are the AI revolution. What makes this really interesting is the context. Just a year ago, Huang was talking about $500 billion in demand through 2026. Fast forward to now, and he's doubling down, literally. In my opinion, this isn't just about Nvidia's success, it's a reflection of how rapidly the AI industry is scaling. Companies are throwing money at AI infrastructure like never before, and Nvidia's chips are the golden ticket. But here's the thing, $1 trillion isn't just a revenue number, it's a vote of confidence in the future of AI. Now, let's talk about the Vera Rubin chip. Huang's calling it the state-of-the-art in AI hardware, and the specs back him up: 3.5x faster than Blackwell on model training, 5x faster on inference tasks. That's insane. But what many people don't realize is that this isn't just about speed. It's about efficiency, scalability, and what this enables for industries. Think healthcare, autonomous vehicles, climate modeling. These chips could be the backbone of breakthroughs we haven't even imagined yet. From my perspective, the Rubin chip is Nvidia's moonshot. It's not just an upgrade, it's a leap. And the fact that they're ramping up production in the second half of the year, that's Nvidia saying, we're not waiting for the future, we're building it. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. This $1 trillion projection isn't just about Nvidia's bottom line. It's a proxy for the entire AI ecosystem. If Nvidia's chips are in such demand, it means companies are betting big on AI, and they're willing to pay top dollar for the best tools. If you take a step back and think about it, this raises a deeper question. What does $1 trillion AI hardware market mean for the world? Are we on the cusp of an AI-driven economic boom, or are we overestimating the pace of adoption? Personally, I think it's a mix of both. Yes, AI is transforming industries, but there's also a lot of hype. Nvidia's projections are bold, but they're also a challenge to themselves, to their competitors, and to the market. One thing that immediately stands out is how this positions Nvidia in the broader tech landscape. They're not just a chip maker anymore, they're a powerhouse shaping the future of AI. But here's the kicker, with great power comes great scrutiny. Regulators, competitors, and even customers will be watching closely. Can Nvidia deliver on these projections? Or will they face supply chain bottlenecks, geopolitical tensions, or unexpected market shifts? What this really suggests is that the AI race is far from over. Nvidia is leading the pack, but companies like AMD, Intel, and even startups are gunning for their spot. In my opinion, this $1 trillion projection isn't just a milestone, it's a starting line. The next few years will be wild, with innovation accelerating at breakneck speed. So, here's my closing thought. Nvidia's $1 trillion projection isn't just about chips or revenue. It's about the future. It's about what AI could become, and what it could mean for humanity. Are we ready for it? Personally, I think we're just scratching the surface. But one thing's for sure, Jensen Huang and Nvidia are betting big, and the world is watching.